When product teams start scaling their applications, observability becomes essential. Two of the most popular platforms in this space are Grafana and Datadog. Both help teams monitor systems, visualize data, and detect issues before users notice, but they take different approaches to solving the same problem. Let's look at how they compare and which one might be the better fit for modern product teams. Grafana is an open-source visualization and monitoring platform known for its flexibility. It connects to dozens of data sources like Prometheus, InfluxDB, Elasticsearch, and even Datadog itself, allowing you to pull metrics from anywhere and create custom dashboards. Grafana is all about freedom. You can design dashboards exactly the way you want, choose your storage backends, and integrate alerting with tools like Slack or PagerDuty. The open-source version is free and self-hosted, which gives you full control over your data and infrastructure. For teams that want a managed option, Grafana Cloud offers hosting, alerting, logs, and traces in a single platform. The trade-off is that setup can take more work. You need to configure data pipelines and define metrics yourself. But once everything is in place, Grafana gives you a powerful, transparent view of your entire system. Datadog, on the other hand, is a fully managed observability platform built for simplicity and depth. It combines metrics, logs, traces, and infrastructure monitoring in one cohesive system. Datadog automatically collects data from hundreds of integrations, covering servers, databases, containers, and cloud services. It is designed for teams that want quick setup and comprehensive insights without managing multiple tools. Dashboards are intuitive. Alerts are easy to configure, and the platform uses machine learning to detect anomalies and forecast trends. Datadog also excels at correlating metrics with traces, helping teams pinpoint performance bottlenecks in real time. For product teams focused on speed and visibility, Datadog delivers a complete plug-and-play solution. In the end, Grafana gives you control and customization, while Datadog gives you convenience and coverage. If your team enjoys building its own observability system and wants to stay flexible across multiple data sources, Grafana is the clear choice. If you want a fully managed, integrated platform that helps you monitor everything instantly, Datadog is the one to beat. Both are excellent, but the best one depends on your team's stage, scale, and how hands-on you want to be with your observability stack.